It's 5 o'clock. We're having like a little dinner. I guess this is our dinner. I'm having mushroom stroganoff, but today was like super miserable with the wind. We only did 7 kilometers and it took us like 4 hours, but there's about 9 kilometers left to the water stash, so we might try to go there. If not, there's also camp spots along the way, but it's still windy out there, so we don't know how far we're gonna go. So good morning. It's about 8:30. Left camp about 8. Woke up at 6. So we're really slow at getting up. But yeah, yesterday was like super miserable, super windy. We went about 5-7 more K. It's like a little camp spot. Could fit both of our tents, but nothing else. Yeah, today we're feeling better. We're gonna go to the second water source. Yeah, lately I've been really questioning why I'm here. Definitely having some battles in my mind. Do I even want to do this anymore? But I'm just like waiting till Kennedy Meadows and then after the Sierra, because then I can go by myself after that. So looking forward to that, because that's definitely going to be something else completely different from this, because I have my family here, but if I want to go by myself, I'm going to be completely by myself.
It's official. We have hit 100 miles on the PCT.
What do you mean?
100 miles.
And I would walk 100 more. Holy shit.
So when I first saw this in the distance, I thought it was a little desert and death, but it's like a pasture or a meadow. So there's a whole bunch of cows in there, and the path, the trail goes right through. So only a couple more kilometers till the creek, and that's the day. Jill's freaking out because she's scared of the cows. Here we are at camp next to a stream. It's still flowing pretty good, and we have like the whole place to ourselves. It's sunset. It's like pretty beautiful here. I'll flip the camera around, but yeah, the cows are over there. You can still hear them, and yeah, we're just having dinner now. I'm having fettuccine alfredo chicken. Tastes super good. Chicken is still like chickeny. It's like the first meat, the second meal I've had. Good morning, it's about 8 o'clock, we're leaving. It was a nice campground, but Jill and my mom were freaking out over like a mouse. Heard some noise outside, so they started screaming super loud, and there's no point because it was like a tiny mouse or something. And yeah, it's just awful. What were they doing?
Screaming for no reason. Trying to pull a prank on us, but it's not funny.
I just walked through a hay pasture, I guess, meadow, but this reminds me of the Camino, the good old days. Even the smell, I just straw hay. Yeah, I was kind of basing this hike off the Camino a bit, but having the hot shower and food and a bed every night definitely makes a difference. So I think I got like the right mentality finishing the Camino, just because I suffered quite a bit with my feet.
Rock of Eagle, still a rollin'. Rock of Eagle, you've got the power.
I just wanted to say Eagle Rock.
Okay, Eagle Rock.
I want to free valley.
So we made it to Warner Springs pretty much. Mom's having trouble with the lock.
Yeah, you can't do it either.
We're gonna try and go into town, or maybe we can just go to the resource center here. So yeah, we're gonna check it out, get food, and then keep going. Here is our camp spot for the night. We are just by Agua Caliente, the creek that we've been walking by for like the last 5 kilometers. I think there's a bit more tomorrow. Going up pretty much. It's up all tomorrow. And then it goes down and then back up. But I'm having mango sticky rice for dinner. They're having like a pad thai kind of thing. Mom, how are you feeling?
I'm actually starting to feel good. We just need a little more food. We don't have enough food, so.
Yeah, and my blisters are okay. That's the one on my heel that healed. Getting another one there, but this one hurts. That one's okay. But other than that, I'm okay. So it's just before 8. We're starting walking now, and it's cold. There was like frost on our tents, so I'm wearing my puffer and pants. But we're gonna go into like a sunny spot to eat breakfast. I think it's just because we're near the creek. It's been so cold. Getting water from the spring here, and it looks a bit sketchy. Dunk it in. Me and Charlie are having lunch. We caught up with Mom, but she left us again. We're having snacks. Well, it's more like a snack break, but these seem to be pretty popular on the trail. They're kind of dry though. But something. Yeah, there's only like 9 more K to Mike's, and then Mike, I don't know. And then we're gonna go a bit farther. Trying to do 27, which is gonna be our longest day. It's 4:11. We're leaving Mike's place. He wasn't there, so no pizza or beer for us. But some lady from New York City gave us some granola bars, so that's gonna come in handy because we are all pretty low on food and water, food and power.
All these great men.
So we made it to the road, but of course they don't want to wait for us again. It's a mile walk on the road there to the cafe. It's about 9, and then we're getting picked up at 12, so I think we're gonna have lunch. Yeah, it's not bad. decently fast. It was okay. It was up and down, up and down.
You can play on it? I think Mama went a little too big.
They have a little bit of breakfast and a little bit other, but they are only half.
What the fuck, Alex?
Okay, I'm allowed to ramble. Joe, you don't look stupid to me.
So here we are downtown Idlewild.
To Z.
We're looking for the mayor. Supposedly he's at Woolies, which is that store. And this is the second mayor, Max. The first one died.
We found him.
Never seen her run so fast.
Oh, yeah. You do have
It means we have no human politicians, no local tax base, no local police department, all of that, like most cities do. So a group here called ARF, or Animal Rescue Friends, sponsored an election whereby anybody could nominate their dog or cat to run for mayor. 14 dogs and 2 cats ran. It was a fundraiser for Animal Rescue, so everybody voted with $1 per vote. They made $31,000 from a small town for Animal Rescue, which was a great turnout. Our dog got 2/3 of the votes, became the mayor, and here we are.
Kids, hope you enjoyed that video. That was Julian to Idlewild. Tomorrow we start the trail again. We're gonna hike into Manzana. We have a package there, and then pick up there, and then keep going to Big Bear. So next video will be to Big Bear. So see you there.